Let's keep things rolling with a look at a new lighting solution on the M12 system. That'll be a welcome sight to anyone who does service and repair work. Let's hear more.
The M12 ROVER service and repair floodlight has just been awesome. I mean, I'm using it every day now. It works in every situation.
The M12 ROVER with the pivoting head helps to keep my hands free. I can set it down and I can use the pivot to go left and right, but I can also set it on its side to kind of shoot up or to shoot down.
You can set it on the battery, the top, any side, adjust that head, and you can see what you're doing. It was like the perfect floodlight. This magnet was strong enough that it held perfectly fine. You didn't have to worry about it falling on what you were working on.
It reaches really tight places and makes it nice and bright for you to be able to work with confidence.
I like the fact that it's a small form factor, but we can still get plenty of light to see what we're doing.
It wasn't so overly bright that you have that issue where it kind of like floods out what you're working on. But on the high setting, you get as much light as you really want out of it.
With 2 full days worth of run time without a charge in between, there's not a day that I don't have to be without this light.
The USB port's really a nice integrated feature. You have the ability to charge any USB devices.
The durability on the M12 ROVER light has been really great. It's been through numerous falls, landed in water once or twice, still turns on every time I hit the power button.
I think that the M12 ROVER light is incredibly rugged. I think that the swiveling head on it seems really tight.
As bright as it is, as versatile as it is, as durable as it is, and having something that's rechargeable, I think is just better overall. It's my go-to light now.